Welcome everyone. As you all know that 21st century belongs to the advanced technology, so this is right time to learn something new and update yourself. Today we will talk about the 3 technology you should know. First one is the robotics. Robotics is an interdisciplinary branch of science and engineering. It involves design, construction, operation, and use of robots. It develops machines that can substitute for humans and replicate human actions. Robots can be used in many situations for many purposes, but today many are used in dangerous environments. The concept of creating robots that can operate autonomously dates back to classical times, but research into the functionality and potential uses of robots did not grow substantially until the 20th century. Today, robotics is a rapidly growing field as technological advances continue. Researching, designing, and building new robots serve various practical purposes, whether domestically, commercially, or militarily. Well, we all can talk about robots uninterruptedly, so now time is to move on to the second technology, that is blockchain. Blockchain is a shared, immutable ledger that facilitates the process of recording transactions and tracking assets in a business network. An asset can be tangible or intangible. Virtually anything of value can be tracked and traded on a blockchain network, reducing risk and cutting costs for all involved. A blockchain is a decentralized, distributed, and oftentimes public digital ledger consisting of records called blocks that are used to record transactions across many computers so that any involved block cannot be altered retroactively without the alteration of all subsequent blocks. Isn't blockchain a cool tech? So now move on to the third technology, that is data analytics. Analytics is the systematic computational analysis of data or statistics. It is used for the discovery, interpretation, and communication of meaningful patterns in data. It also entails applying data patterns toward effective decision making. It can be valuable in areas rich with recorded information. Analytics relies on the simultaneous application of statistics, computer programming, and operations research to quantify performance. Organizations may apply analytics to business data to describe, predict, and improve business performance. Analytics may apply to a variety of fields such as marketing, management, finance, online systems, information security, and software services. Well, these are some of the recent technology which is creating buzz. So now I will take sign off and see you all again in the next video. Till then, bye. Also, do not forget to subscribe our channel.